a lot of these ports you're just gonna have to remember for the CompTIA A+, but there are some common ones. POP3 or POP3, which is Post Office Protocol, and it's for retrieving emails from a server, is one I remember. That one, along with IMAP, which is also a way to retrieve emails from a server, those are the two that I remember. So let's go over which of these ports it can be. For the ones listed here, I know that IMAP uses port 143. And that is definitely not going to be one of our answers then, because IMAP takes that port. Well, what about UDP port 123 and UDP port 161? Well, port 161 is used for user management and monitoring for SNMP, which is a server network management policy. So with server network management policy, when you want to manage users or you want to manage things on their profiles or networks, you can use a UDP connection because you're sending really lightweight packets. And then we also have UDP port 123. Now, UDP port 123, also in the 100 range, is used for NTP, which is Network Time Protocol, and it basically syncs all the clocks on computers in a specific LAN. So all computers like in a domain would have the same time. This is also lightweight because all you're doing is syncing time. So you don't really need like heavy packets or anything. So you send that over UDP, which is User Datagram Protocol. Remember, fast, lightweight, but not great on reliability. TCP, which is Transmission Control Protocol, you can send bigger packets on. It just takes a little bit longer. And when you're sending email or retrieving email, these can be big files. You're gonna want reliable packets. So you would use TCP port 110. Just like IMAP, Post Office Protocol uses TCP and it uses a port that's in the 100 range, so port 110.